I've had a few blanks sitting around the shop for a bit, so I figured I'd pull this piece of walnut, turn a small dish out of it. We'll see how it works out. Hope you folks enjoyed the video. This piece of black walnut is really punky. I'm going to go ahead and add some sanding sealer and then try polishing it up and see what happens. It polished up really nice, but I'm not really happy with the way the piece looks. There's nothing I can do. I'm not going to toss it out. I'm going to go ahead and finish it, and it is what it is. And now I'm going to apply some pure walnut oil. After that, I'll use some fine grit polishing compound and pretty much finish off this piece. Well, here's the end result. Not really happy with the way the wood looks. That punky part of the wood. I don't get it. I'd be better off just cutting me some blanks instead of buying them like I have been in the past. Seems like it's been a waste of money, but now, you know, you do what you do. to try to put out some product. Anyhow, if you folks have made it this far into the video, totally appreciate your support. And as always, thanks for watching.